Question: are you ready to go meatless a couple of nights during the week to save a couple of bucks? Hey, it does work. Back in a minute. Hi, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City Saves Money, and that's precisely what I would like to do because I got these two recipes out of the crock pot, the slow cooker. Yeah. These two meatless recipes from the dump book. You know, it doesn't sound very pretty, but it really does save you time, and we all can use that. Going to start today with two meatless recipes. One of them is macaroni and cheese. Who doesn't like that? And the other one is vegetarian chili. I might have said them a long time ago, but for the sake of newcomers, I'm going to say them again. So there. We'll start off with the macaroni and cheese, and the picture of it is on the thumbnail. Very easy. You're going to need 6 cups of cooked elbow macaroni, 6 cups, 24 ounces of shredded cheddar cheese, 4 cups of evaporated milk, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to combine the macaroni, the cheese, the evaporated milk, the butter, the salt, and the pepper in the slow cooker. And you're going to cover it. You're going to cook it on high 2 to 3 hours. Make 6 to 8 servings. And it also mentions that you could add some tasty mix-ins like diced green or red bell pepper, peas or chopped tomato or chopped onion. Does this not sound delicious, nutritious? Well, pretty fast. Fast in the prep work anyway. You could be doing other things while that's cooking. I love the slow cooker for that. That's why I love the slow cooker. All right. Next, vegetarian chili. That's good. Here's what you're going to need. 1 can, 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, undrained. 1 can, about 15 ounces of black beans, rinsed and drained. 1 can, about 15 ounces of chickpeas, rinsed and drained. 1/2 a cup of corn. 1/4 cup of tomato paste. 1 cup of chopped onion. 1 cup of chopped red bell pepper. 2 tablespoons of minced jalapeno peppers. Of course, that's optional if you don't like that. 1 clove of garlic, minced. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of ground cumin. 1 teaspoon of dried basil. Teaspoon of chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. You're going to combine the tomatoes, the beans, the chickpeas, the corn, tomato paste, onion, bell pepper, garlic, sugar, cumin, basil, chili powder, and black pepper to the crock pot. If you want the jalapenos, you put that there too. To the slow cooker. You're going to stir it to blend, cover, cook on low, 4 to 5 hours, and it makes 4 generous, filling servings. Yes, and double yes. So just thought I'd share. There you go. Hope that everybody has a wonderful upcoming weekend. Going to look for my closing theme here, and I'll be right back with a wave. Have an amazing weekend, everyone. Take good care. See you bright and early on Monday morning. Bye-bye.